Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can select the best RAM size to optimize your Windows PC. So selecting the best RAM size for your Windows PC depends on how you plan to use the system. So this is a detailed guide to help you make the right choice. So first, you need to understand your usage needs because the optimal RAM size varies depending on the type of tasks you perform. So if you just need to use it for basic tasks such as browsing, email, or light apps, you can just use 4 up to 8 gigabyte as a recommended RAM. But if you are using it for productivity such as office apps or multitasking, you can use the RAM size from 8 to 16 gigabyte. If you want to use your Windows PC for creative tasks such as photo or video editing and design, and then you need the RAM size between 16 to 32 gigabyte. And for gaming, you need to have 16 to 32 gigabyte. But if you want to if you use your PC for high-end tasks such as 3D rendering or simulation, then you need to have a RAM size range for from 32 up to 64 gigabyte plus. And you can also check your system specifications. So before upgrading or purchasing a new RAM, you can check your system compatibility. You need to ensure that you are using a 64-bit version of Windows, as 32-bit Windows supports only up to 4 gigabyte of RAM. So to check it, you can just go to the settings on your computer and then go to the system in here and find the About menu. Scroll down, this one, About. Okay, you can find it in here. Okay, so my system type is 64-bit, so I can upgrade my RAM. And you can also check for the motherboard specification. Check the maximum RAM capacity your motherboard supports. You can confirm the type of RAM supported, such as DDR3, 4, or 5, and refer to your motherboard's manual or manufacturer's website for details. And you need to also ensure your CPU can handle the RAM amount and speed you are considering. And you can also consider the RAM speed. So RAM speed is measured in MHz. So faster RAM can improve system responsiveness, especially for gaming and high-end tasks. So match the RAM speed with what your motherboard supports to avoid bottlenecks. And it also determine the number of RAM modules. So RAM is available as single sticks or in kits, and dual channel or quad channel configurations can improve performance by allowing multiple memory channels to work simultaneously. And to enable the dual channel memory, you can just install pairs of RAM sticks in the correct motherboard slots. And you can also just use your task manager to access your current RAM usage. So if you are unsure about how much RAM you need, you can just press on Control Shift plus Ask to open the task manager. So I've already opened mine in here. And to go check the RAM, you can just go to the Performance tab in here, click on Memory, and then here you can see the total RAM installed, how much RAM is being used during regular activities, and if you're constantly using over 70 to 80% of available RAM, then you need to consider to upgrade it. Okay, as you guys can see, I have 81, so I need to update my RAM apparently. And you can also match RAM specs for upgrades. So if adding more RAM to an existing system, you need to match the capacity, speed, and type with your current RAM. Mixing different specifications can lead to instability or reduced performance. And don't forget to avoid overkill, because more RAM doesn't always mean better performance. For example, having 64 gigabyte of RAM won't benefit a user who primarily browses the web or use word processor. So you need to balance your budget between RAM, storage, or SSD, and other components for optimal performance. And don't forget to keep RAM clean and functional. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.